Alright, so today it's 92 degrees out in New Jersey, and we're going to just take a quick temperature reading. The car's been sitting in the driveway for the past 12 hours, so we're going to take a quick temp check in here. And right now inside the car, it is 98 degrees, 99 total. So 99 degrees, that's with the shades installed and closed all day. So it's only 6 degrees warmer in the car than it is outside, which is phenomenal. Now I'm going to try and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the thermometer and I'm going to remove the shade, and I want to take a reading from the glass. I'm going to open the shade up, get up to the glass here, and you can see I'm getting 117 degrees between the glass, 118 degrees between the glass. So you're getting about a 20-degree difference with the shades closed, which is phenomenal.